This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside your Chromebook profile, so first make sure you're signed into the account whose password you'll change. Once signed in, click the time in the lower right corner and open the gear icon to access settings. You'll need your current account password to verify. Have it ready. Also decide on a strong new password. Aim for at least 12 characters with letters, numbers, and symbols, so you don't need to change it again soon. From Settings, go to the People section and choose Google Account to open your account controls in a new tab. Once there, select the Security tab, then find the Signing In to Google area and click Password. The system will ask you to verify your identity, enter your current password, or complete two-factor authentication if prompted, to prevent unauthorized changes. After verification, you'll see fields for a new password and confirmation. Type carefully to avoid typos. Type your chosen new password into both fields, making sure both entries match exactly. Using a password manager reduces typing errors. Once they match, click Change Password and wait until the confirmation appears. This finalizes the update across Google services on this Chromebook. Make sure you sign out other devices if prompted, and then log back in to test. If something goes wrong, first check caps lock and keyboard layout, retry verification codes, or use Google Account Recovery.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.